Hi everyone, this is Isabel and I am back with another tutorial. Today we are going to be updating our channel art on YouTube. We will be working on creating a banner with your channel information using Photoshop. I created my banner following another tutorial that I will link in the video description. His is more detailed, so check him out if you want more layers of different patterns. I kept my banner pretty simple and that is what this tutorial will be showing. I did want to mention that I am not an expert in Photoshop. There are probably easier, more in-depth ways to make a banner, but this is my easy way of having gotten it done. This is my new banner that I updated this weekend. I wish I would have taken a picture of my old banner to compare. It was a beautiful picture of a buffalo from North Dakota. I figured it was time to update my YouTube banner since I have been creating more videos lately. If you like my tutorial, please subscribe to my channel. Most of my videos are tutorials, so feel free to subscribe and like this video. Okay, back to some learning. Let's begin with searching for a YouTube channel banner template. I'm choosing the image that comes from YouTube Help. Save your image and let's open up Photoshop. Let's open up a new file on Photoshop. Let's choose a custom file with the specific dimensions that YouTube requires. The dimensions are 2560 by 1440 pixels. Make sure it is set to transparent and create. Now let's embed the YouTube template that we just saved. Adjust your image to fit the screen by dragging the handles. Make sure you're holding the Shift key to keep its proportions. Click the check to complete the change in size. Now we're going to add a layer and insert some rectangles. This will help when we are inserting graphics in the text and logo safe area of the template. Copy and paste the rectangle and fit it outside the middle area of the template. Here you see me struggling to match up the rectangles to the template. I don't work with a mouse, so it's hard to grab and align. I end up using my arrows to move the rectangles. I need to get a mouse. Now merge both layers. We are now going to start making your channel banner pretty and customized to your needs. We are going to embed our first background. I chose this pretty background mainly because of the texture, and I'm also obsessed with this pretty color. Adjust the image to fit the screen by dragging the handles. Don't forget to hold the Shift key to keep its proportions. Click the check to complete the change in size. Now drag this layer and place it underneath your rectangles. I'm keeping my banner with just this background. You can continue to add layers, but I'm keeping my banner simple. I am now going to add pictures that I like or represent me. This is where you customize to your heart's content. I am embedding my pictures and resizing them to fit within the space. I align them so they are centered. It helps to hide the rectangle layer and my background layer so I can see that I am within the safe area. As you can see, I am not centered, so I start moving the images around so they are centered and look neat. I end up leaving space on this tutorial and only include 3 pictures as opposed to no space and 4 pictures on the banner that I uploaded on YouTube. You can see that I'm struggling once again on aligning the images. I need a mouse. This is the part that is the most tedious, but you want everything to be perfect, so you keep at it. So once I am happy with my adjustments, I hide my rectangles layer and the templates layer. I am now going to export my file as a JPEG. Save your file how you'd like. We are almost done. Save your Photoshop file in case you want to go back and edit later. Now let's go back to our YouTube channel. You can see my new banner art where it looks a bit different than the one I just created. The only real difference is the number of pictures. Let's click on Customize Channel and edit Channel Art on the top right hand side. Select your photo and wait for your beautiful creation to be on display. So, what do you think? Were my instructions pretty simple? I think so. Let me know if you create your own banner. I'd love to see it. If you have any questions that I did not answer in the video, leave me a comment and I'll get back to you. If you like this video, please subscribe and come back to visit. Thanks for watching and I hope to hear from you. Bye for now.